note, I would request Dr. Prasanna Kumar Parsani, Honorable MP of Bhubaneswar, and our Honorable Founder Sir to inaugurate the event by lighting the lamp. I would also like Karan Oberoi Sir to join them.
Ganayakaya Ganadevataya Ganadhyakshaya Dhimahi Gunashariraya Gunamanditaya Guneshانaya Dhimahi Gunatitaya Gunadhishaya Gunapravishthaya Dhimahi Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gauritanayaya Dhimahi.
I now request Dr. Prasanna Kumar Parsani to bless the Nani Paris with a few words.
केही कहि पारिबो कि गोटे असुंदर फूल अछि बोली एई जगतरे केही कहि पारिबेनी सबु फूल सुंदर से बड़ी सबु शिशु माने सुंदर सबु छुआ माने सुंदर तेणु से सुंदर प्रतियोगिता को आपण माने देखिए आप आए हुए ये शहर के नाम भुवनेश्वर है जहाँ पे सारा भुवन की सुंदरी है उसको कहा जाता है भुवनेश्वरी और again my heart is cheering and getting to everybody praying for a long life and for your nation career be great like Achyuta Samanta. Namaskar, namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. I now welcome all of you to the most awaited grand finale of KIIT Nani Pari 2015. Odissi dance, one of the 8 classical dance forms of India, has its origin traced from the state of Orissa. As the nature and environment, even the art forms need conscious efforts from mankind to survive, and hence, our next performer is an example of those few people whose efforts depict strong existence of these art forms in our country. Today, she will be performing Mangala Charana. I now welcome her up on the stage.
संगीत कवरो मुदाहिरी नारी वदन कमला स्वाद मधुपा रमा शंभुर्ब्रह्मा सुरपति
What an amazing performance it was. Now, I would request the core committee members of KIIT Nani Pari, Director Student Services Dr. Sucheta Priyabadni, the Chief PRO Mrs. Shraddhanjali Nayak, and the patron of KIIT Nani Pari, Mr. Malay Mahapatra, to come up on the stage and address the gathering.
Good evening everybody present here, our Nani Pari's parents, people from the media friends, our esteemed guests, juries, and all who are here, the organizers, our KIT officials, all, I welcome you to this evening. This KIT Nanipari, like every event any big thing has a humble beginning. KIT Nanipari also had a humble beginning from a tribal district, Keonjhar, where it started in a very small way. But within this time of 15 years, this event has become to the national level, and today you can find that this event is not a event of the metros. Now Orissa has proved itself in this segment, and soon it will go popular with the patronage of Dr. Samant, and I think it will create a platform for the little girls, like a pre-preparation for Miss India or Miss Universe, things like that. And it is a very unique event which will showcase the talents of these girls and nurture them to be better, successful women in their future.
Thank you, Mariabu. Good evening. The preparation of KIT Nanipari began this year only couple of months back, where we tried to reach different corners of India by conducting regional auditions in 8 major cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Patna and Bhubaneswar. Out of more than 600 participants, it was a tough job to shortlist these 30 talented contestants. Though it was a very tough job, there were so many talented girls across the country, and we were amazed to see their talent. So now here we are presenting you these beautiful talented Nanniparis to be judged by, though all of them are Nanniparis for us, but one person has to be winner. So now we invited our judges, eminent judges, to judge them here.
From this year, under the able guidance of Samanta sir, we have taken, KIT has taken up on itself the responsibility of organizing and presenting the society Little Miss India KIT Nanipari from this year onward. A huge thanks to Samanta sir for having faith on us to organize such kind of events. And we have organized across India the regional rounds. The main objective of this KIT Nanipari is to create a platform for the young girls between 13 to 16 years old to showcase their talent and nurture their talents and to be successful women in the days to come. The mission is to make a mark not only within India or here at the national level, but at the international level. So in future, we would like to organize Little Miss World. Thank you all the best.
I would like to welcome our esteemed set of judges and guests. Miss Iti Samanta, writer, editor, publisher, producer and social worker. Guru Sanchita Bhattacharya, noted Odissi dancer. Mr. Karan Oberoi, Indian television actor, anchor and singer. Miss Arushi Sharma, Miss Diva 2015 finalist. Miss Sushri Shreya Mishra, Miss India 2015. Mr. Udyan Aprajit, a cine artist. Miss Natasha, runner-up, Miss Diva. Audience, put a loud round of applause for all the guests.
Ethnic wear, an outfit that beautifies every girl and an outfit that is a part of our tradition and culture. I'm sure all of us present here would be very excited to see all our little Nanniparis in the lovely ethnic attire. So now we begin the ethnic round of KIT Nanipari 2015.
Now, we will have the solo walk round for the judges to give the marks.
Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, popularly known as KISS, is affiliated by KIT University. It offers unique opportunity for formal and vocational education to thousands of tribal children and higher education facilities from KG to PG. These students are those talented and blessed kids who have excelled in every aspect of life. One such trait is their dancing talent. Hence, I would now invite the student of KISS to come upon the stage for a dance performance.
ये चैत परब बड़ बेट मजा ये परा सरदा नाई ये टकी राशि सांगे पिला मादा देखा धेमसा करिबा पाई ए मोरा दादाले फुक टोकी दिया मोइरा दादा रे टोकी राशि के नाच नाचाइबी टोकी दिया मोइरा दादा रे टोकी राशि के नाच नाचाइबी ए चैत परब गीत मारी मारी डांडे जाई ठिया हेबी ए चैत परब गीत मारी मारी डांडे जाई ठिया हेबी टोकी दिया मोइरा दादा रे टोकी राशि के नाच नाचाइबी दिया मोइरा दादा रे टोकी राशि के नाच नाचाइबी ए चैत परब गीत मारी मारी डांडे जाई ठिया हेबी ए चैत परब गीत मारी मारी डांडे जाई ठिया हेबी टोकी दिया मोइरा दादा रे टोकी राशि के नाच नाचाइबी टोकी दिया मोइरा दादा रे टोकी राशि के नाच नाचाइबी.
As these wonderful KISS students did such a nice performance that all our guests, I'm sure, would like to see them once again on the stage. So I invite all the KISS students to come up on the stage. Audience, please encourage them with claps.
ननी मन मोरी फुकलानी काइनी पारो फुक्सिया चे अटक झुलाउनी चनके अटक झुलौनी बदलानी भरा 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 रे ननी मोरी फुकलानी ननी मन मोरी फुकलानी काइनी पारो फुक्सिया थे आटाके झुलौनी भरा 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 रे ननी मोरी फुकलानी ननी मन मोरी फुकलानी काइनी पारो फुक्सिया थे आटाके झुलौनी ननी मन आटाके झुलौनी
I'm sure you might have loved the dance once again. I would like to say that these little Nani Paris have come from all around India and have been putting strong efforts from the past 3 days. The 3 days have been amazing. And now we start with the casual round. With this, we call the little divas back on stage to mesmerize you with their casual looks and their prop using capabilities. of the casual round. I'm sure these little cute Nani Paris have mesmerized you with their casual looks. वो कहते हैं कि जो लोग गाना गाते हैं उनके कंठ में माँ सरस्वती स्वयं निवास करती है. ऐसी ही एक आवाज़ जो आप सबके दिल को छू जाए आज हमारे बीच है. I would like to invite the Indian Idol 2015 winner Ananya Nanda to please come up on the stage.
मेरे माहिया सनम जानम के विकार आरामी दानम शब गुजरी दे जग सोया नीम जग आरामी दानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम के विकार आरामी दानम शब गुजरी दे जग सोया नीम जग आरामी दानम निबे कमली कमली निबे कमली कमली निबे कमली कमली मेरी आरती निबे कमली कमली निबे कमली कमली निबे कमली कमली मेरी आरती झील दिल को कर गया तू दरिया दरिया मेरे यारा अखियां दे मोहल्ले में हर शाम तेरा आलम शब गुजरी दे जग सोया वे जग तारम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम के वगारे आरमी दानम शब गुजरी दे जग सोया नीम चोगे आरमी दानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम के वगारे आरमी दानम शब गुजरी दे जग सोया नीम चोगे आरमी दानम नीबे कमली कमली नीबे कमली कमली नीबे कमली कमली मेरी आरती नीबे कमली कमली नीबे कमली कमली नीबे कमली कमली मेरी आरती नीबे कमली 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 मेरी आरती. Thank you so much for making me a part of this event. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
The stage looks beautiful with all these girls right here. Now, the time has come when I declare the top 10 finalists. The first participant is Eshani Mitra. The next participant is Anmol Jain. Next we have Bhumika Dash. The next participant is Swapna Priyadarshini. Next we have Swayam Prabha Dalbhera. Next in line is Akanksha Singh. The next finalist is Amrit Kaur. Next we have Nia Shamir. The next finalist is Maitri Monali Pradhan. And the last finalist of the top 10 is Smaranika Hota. Congratulations, the top 10. And now we would start with the question answer round. I would request Karan sir to ask the first question to the first participant. Eshani Mitra.
Hi Ishani, I just raise your hand. That's you. Hi, how are you doing tonight?
I'm fine, thank you.
You all are looking very, very pretty, and all the top 10 finalists, congratulations to all of you, and all the other pretty girls.
Thank you.
Okay, I have the questions here, right in front of me. Just give me a second, I'll just pick up a question for you. That's a tough one even for me. Are you in favor of love marriage or arranged marriage, and why?
Sir, I am in favor of love marriage because your life partner is a person whom you spend your entire life with, and it is very important to have a loving, caring and understanding life partner who can be with you through all your ups and downs of life, who won't be judgmental and who will understand you. Of course, there will be a lot of arguments. That's what love is. But love marriage might not be right, but most of the time we should be allowed to choose our life partner? Thank you for the question, sir.
That's a fantastic answer. I couldn't have put it better myself. Wonderful. That's a wonderful answer.
Sanchita ma'am, kindly ask a question to Anmol.
Hi Anmol.
Hello, ma'am.
Congratulations for making to the top 10.
Thank you so much.
You're looking very pretty, very pretty. This question has to come to me only because I think I spoke on this subject a lot the other day. Do you love your country?
Yes.
What are the reasons?
Because all the peoples in the country, we live in a humanity. We all live together. We don't have differentiate like black people or white people. And thank you.
Very good. I think you gave a very valid point that we don't have any discrimination here.
Iti ma'am, I would request you to kindly ask a question.
ভূমিকা শুভ সন্ধ্যা
शुभ संध्या मैम
কেমতি ফিল করছে ଏବେ
बहुत भला फील होची because this is a platform in which we can show our talent and I am selected as top 10 with my all hard work and labor, so I think it is the most valuable time and best time of my life.
Thank you. Now it's your question. So many people in our country are poor. What do you think we can do to get rid of poverty?
Well, thank you for the question, ma'am. Yes, it is true that in our country there are many people who are poor. They're not even getting food to eat. So it is the work of our government to work on it. Because yes, we should help them in any way we want. But we should also think one thing. It is that if we give them one chance, they will be lazy and they're not doing their work. They're always independent and always thinking that any other one will help us. So it is our duty to help them and it is our country's development, for our country's development. It is the work of the government to work on it, to help the poor people and to give them chance to do work or job in this country.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next participant is Swapna Priyadarshini. Uday sir, I would request you to kindly ask a question.
Hi everybody.
Hello.
You all are looking like angels.
Thank you.
So here is my question. Do you believe in God?
Yeah, I do believe in God.
Suppose if you were to meet God, what you would tell him?
I would tell him that in this country there is a lot of female infanticide. In this country, people worship Lord Durga to protect themselves from their enemies. They wish that they would get Lord Saraswati to get knowledge. They wish Lord Lakshmi to get wealth. But they don't want a girl child. So I want that the women get a better chance to react and to get chance. Thank you. To get chance to answer all the questions that are put on them in this world and especially in this country. And I really support women empowerment. So I want to wish everyone a good evening, and I want to request God that he should at least increase the population of girls in our country, of females. Thank you.
Thank you.
Natasha ma'am, your question.
Hello.
Hello,
You all
good
look
evening,
so
ma'am.
beautiful. I swear, I don't think we both look like that at that age.
Thank you, ma'am.
But your question is, if you are made the Prime Minister of India, what are the 3 things you would like to change in our country?
First of all, I would say that I actually aspire to become the Prime Minister of India
So, coincidentally, you've given me such a good question. Thank you for that, first of all. Three things which I would like to change. The first is that social awareness. I want that the government as well as the people, because they work hand in hand. So I want the government should take steps to create social awareness among all the people from remote areas to all the metropolitan cities. So it covers all the areas from the lower classes to the upper class. For each and every social evil that we have, social awareness is the root that will eradicate all the problems of our society. The second thing which I want is that our people should be proud of our own culture, because we are the world's largest democracy and we are the land of culture, India. So instead of aping the Western culture, I would say, yes, you should take the good points from everybody. It should be a mixed bag. But please, it's an urge to do not forget our own roots, respect our Indian culture, and be patriotic from your heart. The third thing which I would like to change is that there should not be the gender inequality here we have between boys and girls. It is not only the problem of the lower strata of the society, but we see this even, unfortunately, even in the upper classes, like the people of the elite society, even they suffer from this. The girls, they still, in this 21st century, still the girls, they are not given the right which they actually has to be given. So these are the three things which I would like to change.
The next participant is Amrit Kaur. Sushri ma'am, kindly ask a question.
Hi Amrit.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you nervous?
Not at all.
Oh my god, I am so nervous, you have no idea. All of you look gorgeous. Like, how do you girls do it? How old are you?
I was very good. I enjoyed each and every competition I did here.
Wow, and how old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Oh my god, do you know when I was 15 I was so shy. I don't know, I can't even put it into words. Like, you guys are amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have a very, very, very easy question for you, okay? If you had to invite 3 people in the world over for dinner, who would they be and why?
I would like to invite Shri Narendra Modi, my mother, and my father.
And why?
And I would really like to invite Barack Obama.
And आप क्यों invite करोगे इन लोगों को dinner पे?
They are one of the most well-known people in the India. Barack Obama is one of the people who has growth over the years. He had developed on his own foot, and I'm very much inspired for him. My mother, she has taken me to all the stages of my life. She is my inspiration. She has taken care of me and each and every level of my life. My father, who has always been a support, a backbone for me, and he is the only reason that I'm here standing in top 10 in Kit Nani Parade 2015.
Wow. Amazing list. Thank you so much. And good luck all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next participant is Nia Shamir. Karan sir, kindly ask a question.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mia. You have a lovely smile.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Are you feeling confident of winning the Nanhi Pari crown? If you should win the Nanhi Pari title, tell me why you should be chosen as the winner. What sets you apart from the other participants?
First of all, I am confident. Pretty confident. But the other contestants are pretty very good. So I wish I get the title. Yeah, everybody else does wish. So if I ever get this title, the first thing I would do is make my parents proud, obviously. Then I would go, if I had the chance, I have a club at school, Angels Club. So there is a prize money with it. First, I would donate a little bit of money. Then, if I can, I would go to a few places talk to them about how the female can get a higher position in the society. Because, yeah, nowadays it's a pretty good place for the females, but not that good. So that's what I would do.
What is the distinguishing factor? I mean, that you feel that you would win this contest amongst all the other 10 and 27 other total contestants. What is your winning quality? That's what the question is.
As I guess everybody told me this, I have a good smile. I think that can be a winning quality. But the other contestants are too good. So yeah, I think that is it. And yeah, that's it.
The very fact that you feel so strongly about them and feel for them makes you a winner all the way in any case.
Thank
so I
you,
wish you all the best, and I hope you come across.
Thanks a lot, sir. Yeah, thanks a lot.
It makes a Miss Congeniality.
Totally, I couldn't agree more.
The next participant is Maitri Monali Pradhan. Sanchita ma'am, kindly put forth the question.
Hello, Maitri.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm awesome. How's you?
I am very good. Well, pretty easy question. Who you think is your ideal person and why?
My idol person in my life is my mom, Mrs. Prativa Pradhan. She is my inspiration. She is my life. Without her, I'm nothing. And all because of her, I'm standing here today. She's a great support. I must say that my father is living abroad, but she's carrying me so well. Alone, she's doing everything. So I must say that my idol person is my mom.
Very good. Very good. I'm sure your parents are very proud of you. All of your parents are very proud of you.
The next participant is Smaranika Hota. Iti ma'am, kindly put forth the question.
Hi, Smaranika.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very awesome, ma'am.
Thank you. For you, the question is, do you think there should be reservation for women? And why you feel so?
Ma'am, I would say that there's already a reservation for women, but I don't think it's seriously needed, because women are equally as they have the opportunity, even though they don't have much, but I think that they have that quality, they have that potential to fight against the man, and there is no difference. So why should we mostly focus on why should we think that they are they are not up to that level and put some reservation for that? So it's like
so you are telling no reservation?
No,
for women.
Yeah, they can fight for each other. They can fight for them. They have that potential. They have that. So there's no need of a potential.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Swayam Prabha.
Hello.
How are you feeling now? Nervous?
Good. Yeah, a little bit.
Well, you don't need to be nervous. So, here my question goes. Are you proud of being a girl?
Yes, of course.
Tell us, what is the essence of being a woman?
The essence of a woman is her inner beauty. Actually, I believe that inner beauty is more important than the outer beauty. The inner beauty shows that how you are and your quality, and that's the essence of a girl. Thank you.
Now, I would request all the judges to kindly come up on the stage to give away the 10 category awards. awards and they all are getting a cash prize of rupees 10,000. Now, I would request Sushri ma'am to kindly come up and crown the top 10 finalists. The 10 awardees are first Swapna Priyadarshini, next is Kasturi Rahi. The 10 awardees who just got the titles are being crowned. Thank you, Sushri ma'am. Now I would request Natasha ma'am to kindly come and crown the remaining. Next, I would request Ayushi ma'am to kindly come up and crown the two. Now, I would request Aishani Mitra to kindly come up on the stage and Sushi ma'am kindly come and crown her. Now, I would request our guest Ananya to kindly come up on the stage for the felicitation. I would request our founder sir to kindly come up and felicitate Ananya. Next, we will have the felicitation of all our honorable guests by our founder, sir. Now I request Mr. Malay Mahapatra to also join us on the stage. He is the patron of Kit Nani Pari 2015. Next, we would felicitate Natasha ma'am. Next, we would felicitate Samresh sir. With this, we come to an end of the felicitation ceremony. I would now request our chief patron and founder Kit and Case, Professor Achyuta Samanta sir, to bless all the Nani Paris by addressing us.
Good evening everybody present here. So it is not the time to speak or anything else because it will definitely disturb all of you. Everybody is anxiously waiting to know the result and get the prize and everything. Anyhow, all the respected parents, guardians and other invited guests, those are present here. At the outset, it's my great pleasure and duty first to thanks from the core of my heart to Sri Malay Mahapatra, thinking of such type of innovative things in one of the most remote tribal district of Odisha, Keonjhar, before 15 years, that is the 2000. Thanks to Malay Mahapatra with a big clapping. Thanks to Prabodh Mahanti, my dear friend, and others, those who have been associated with Nani Pari since the inception of Nani Pari. Thanks to all the respected judges present here, coming all the way to motivate all of us, to encourage all of us in a small place like Bhubaneswar. I hope you must have been very much happy to see entire things, even if it is a small place, Bhubaneswar. Thank everyone. I am not taking much time. everyone's name, it will honestly kill much time. So all the respected judges, celebrity from Bombay particularly, our Karan ji, all-time value sir, and our Sanchita ma'am, everybody, my special thanks from the Nonni Pari family, from the Kit Kiss family, from my side, and that you have all have come all the way to grace this occasion, and particularly our special thanks to all the respected parents thinking of grooming of their little daughter in this way, which is the very much required at this present age, as this is the age of knowledge, exposure, talent. This is not the age of only the bookworm or the degree certificate. So thanks to all the parents thinking and grooming your daughters like anything, and special thanks to all the beautiful Nonni Pari present here, competing and also grooming themselves for the coming future, just like celebrities standing here. You should be aspire of competing the Miss India, Miss World, because this little Nonni Pari at the age of 13 to 16 just prepare someone for the coming Miss India, Miss World. And you all will be happy to know that after these 15 years in Odisha, Bhubaneswar, our Nonni Pari family have thought of hosting this Little Miss India Kit Nonni Pari competition 2016 in Bombay, 2017 in Delhi, 2018 in Calcutta, and 2019 in Bangalore. Again by 2020, again it will be in Bhubaneswar. So बिकॉज करण जी जब तक नहीं जाएंगे ना बॉम्बे बॉलीवुड तब तक कोई पहचानेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज़ फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड जो कोई सोचा है लिटिल मिस इंडिया कंपटीशन करके बच्चे को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. सो थैंक्स टू मलय महापात्र. ये जब तक यहाँ पर होगा ना आप लोग इसको इम्पोर्टेंस देंगे नहीं, तो हम लोग को बॉम्बे ले जाना पड़ेगा. तो बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, बेंगलोर के बाद फिर हम लोग भुवनेश्वर लौटेंगे 2020 में. सो एंड थैंक्स टू our own family members, Kit, Kiss, Kalinga TV, everybody supporting all of us to make this function grand success. Thanks to Sucheta ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, and another one ma'am is not here, Smita, those who have taken initiative in consultation with the Malay Mahapatra. Within 1 month we did all the regional competition and we did entire things. And lastly, thanks to my lovable Kitians, those who are present here in spite of their great holidays, Christmas, Xmas holidays, still they are present here. And this Kitian who is doing the anchoring very nicely. So thanks all to all my lovable Kitians. So thanks everybody, our respected press persons, both from electronic and print media. Thank you very much. Wish you happy New Year. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I'm sure it's been too much for y'all today and y'all are too excited to know the winners. And these participants here, the finalists, are more excited. So, I don't think I should waste more time and I should declare the second runner-up. So, who do you think would be the second runner-up? Parents, any guesses? No guesses? Okay, fine. Let me let you know who the second runner-up is. The second runner-up of Kit Nonni Pari Little Miss India 2015 is Bhumika Dash. I would request Sushri ma'am to kindly come and come. Audience, please put a loud round of applause for the second runner-up. Gets a cash prize worth rupees 50,000. Next is the first runner-up. And the award goes to Swapna Priyadarshini. I would request Natasha ma'am to kindly come and come. Along with the cash prize, we give them 50% academic fee waiver waiver subject to maximum of rupees 4 lakhs for studying any discipline in KIIT University.
Match.
The second runner-up has got rupees 50,000 plus 50% academic fee waiver subject to maximum of rupees 4 lakhs for studying any discipline in KIIT University. Now, finally, the most important part of the evening, the winner of Kit Nani Pari Little Miss India 2015. I'm sure the participants already have butterflies in their stomach. So I won't waste any more time and would announce the winner. And the winner is Ishani Mitra. I would request the winner, Mitali Milvaria of Kit Nani Pari 2014 to come up and crown the winner. Apart from a cash prize of 3 lakh rupees, you get 100% free academic waiver subject to maximum of rupees 8 lakhs for studying in any discipline in KIT University. I repeat, the winner gets rupees 3 lakhs plus 100% academic free waiver subject to maximum of rupees 8 lakhs for studying in any discipline in KIT University. The first runner-up gets rupees 1 lakh cash prize plus 50% academic free waiver subject to maximum of rupees 4 lakhs for studying any discipline in KIIT University. The second runner-up gets a cash prize of rupees 50,000 plus 50% academic free waiver subject to maximum of rupees 4 lakhs for studying any discipline in KIIT University. Now, the three winners would walk the ramp.